Today I'm in Salt Lake Tahoe and I'll be testing one of the kitchens of the Shemss models. I'll be doing an appetizer, very quick, easy to make and for any occasion. So with my appetizer, very simple. The main thing is shrimps. We have some mozzarella cheese, mayo, cream cheese, some garlic, and bread. Like I said, this appetizer is very easy to make, very fast, very convenient for any occasion, birthdays, any holiday. So since I got the shrimps with the tail on, I'll just take those off really quick. You know, just whatever. And then what I do is just cut them into small pieces really quick. Kind of like this, it's fine. Now I'm gonna add cream cheese. I'm just gonna use half of cream cheese. Usually it's like 1 pound of shrimps with the whole, what is this? 8 ounces of cream cheese. If you ask me exactly what needs to be done, I'll be like, let me think about it, because everything's kind of done by an eye. If you like a lot of garlic, you do more garlic. If you're not a big fan of garlic, you just use a little bit. So I think for this one, I'll just use like maybe 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. Once I mix it up, we'll see, maybe we'll add some more to it. About 2 to 3 spoons of mayo. So this is how it looks. So mix everything. I think I'm gonna add 1 more garlic to it, just to make it spicy. And then what we do is we're gonna add some mozzarella cheese inside and then on top as well. Now I'm gonna add some salt. Let's go here. I'm gonna add some salt and some pepper to it. Pepper. So after we mix everything, all you do is just simply apply it to the bread. So however you want it, less, more, doesn't matter. These are actually very good, like they're good when they're hot and they're good when they're actually, when they're cold. So this is what I like about these appetizers. You can eat them when it's hot and you can enjoy them while they're cold. Shrimps, they don't take a lot of time to cook, like the fish, like the seafood stuff. So whatever you do with seafood, it doesn't take a lot of time. So the last thing, what I'm gonna do is just put a little bit of mozzarella cheese just on top of it. Okay, 350 bake, start. Okay, we're good to go. Everything has to go back in place because this is all of this is a staging. So people are going to be coming in, take a look at the unit, take a look at the other units, and everything has to be spot on. Look at this. This is it. The appetizers are ready to go. You know, it's probably best for them to cool down and then ready to eat. I had an amazing time experiencing it at this kitchen, at this model Echo. I love it. Honestly, everything is so perfect. Oh, it's cold. It's good to go. Let's put it right here. Ready to go. It's chilly outside. Yes. Come taste it.
So,
but it's a little hot. You have to be careful.
Man, it looks amazing.
Man,
I can tell right away it's crispy.
Be careful, it's hot.
I don't know what's the inside. This creamy stuff.
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese. This is what I'm talking about. You know, like I'm talking about. You see this white stuff? So you know, in the sushi, when people put the cream cheese in the sushi, it's always nice.
Good, huh?
Good job,
Hey.
well done. The camera guy looking, give me one.
Here, you can have some.
I'll wait till I'm done shooting.
Here.
Yeah,
Right.
it is good.